Have you ever wished you had a smart assistant who could help you write content, plan projects, summarize documents, and manage everything in one single place? Welcome to Petter AI Hustle, your go-to channel to discover the most powerful AI tools that help you work smarter and faster. Today, we're diving into one of the most impressive tools out there, Notion AI. So, what exactly is Notion AI? It's an intelligent assistant built right into Notion, the popular workspace app for notes, planning, and project management. Created by Notion Labs in San Francisco, it runs on OpenAI's language models, giving you the power of smart writing directly inside your documents. Think of it like this. You type an idea, Notion AI turns it into full content. Paste a long article, it'll summarize it in seconds. Need to create a plan? It builds your to-do list for you, all within one clean, customizable workspace. The goal of Notion AI is simple: help you write faster, think better, and get more done. Whether you're a student, freelancer, content creator, or marketer, this tool feels like a personal assistant that works 24/7. Notion AI works across all platforms: web, desktop, and mobile. All you need to do is log in and start using it. There's even a free version with basic AI features, or you can unlock the full power for just around $10 a month. Now, let's talk about what makes Notion AI so powerful. Here are some standout features. It can write content automatically, from blog posts to product descriptions, summarize long text instantly, translate text into multiple languages, switch tone of voice, formal, friendly, concise, or whatever fits your style, brainstorm ideas fast, build personal plans or group projects, and even answer questions directly inside your document. The biggest highlight? Its smart writing ability. For example, you can simply type, "Write me an intro for a skincare product targeting teenagers," and boom, it creates a polished, engaging paragraph right away. Getting started is super easy. Go to notion.so, click on Get Notion Free, sign up with your email or Google account, and you're in. You can also download the app for Windows, macOS, iOS, or Android, but we recommend starting with the web version for the best experience. Inside Notion, your workspace is where everything happens. You create pages like documents, and each page is made up of blocks. These can be text, images, checklists, databases, or more. To create a new page, just click New Page, name it, choose a template, or start from scratch. In the editor, type a slash to open up the block menu and choose what you need: paragraph, heading, table, image, and so on. Notion also makes it incredibly easy to manage your tasks. You can build to-do lists, assign dates, tags, statuses, and even drag and drop items to organize them by week or project. And if you're used to Excel, you'll love Notion's database feature. You can build dynamic tables, Kanban boards, or calendars with filters, views, and custom fields for things like text, checkboxes, dates, and linked pages. Use it to manage projects, schedule social media posts, track clients, or anything else you want, all in one place. Now let's get to the AI part. On any page, just type /Ask AI or click the AI button in the toolbar. You can ask things like, "Write a product description for a trendy t-shirt," "Summarize the following article for me," "Translate this paragraph into English." You can even tweak the tone, turn paragraphs into task lists, or treat the AI like your private Google inside your Notion. When it comes to teamwork, Notion shines too. Click Share in the top right corner, invite collaborators via email, or generate a private or public link with viewing, commenting, or editing permissions. And if you're not sure where to begin, Notion has a massive library of templates. Just head over to their templates gallery, pick one you like: content planners, CRM dashboards, student trackers, and hit Duplicate to add it to your workspace. To stay organized, you can group related pages, color code them, add icons, and design a clean sidebar for fast navigation. So where does this all come in handy? If you're a YouTuber, Notion AI can write your scripts. If you're a teacher, it can summarize lesson plans and help you plan your curriculum. If you're a marketer, it can generate emails, ad copy, or entire campaigns in minutes. This tool is especially valuable for freelancers, content creators, small business owners, really anyone who wants to save time and increase quality. Notion also integrates with tools like Zapier, Slack, Google Calendar, GitHub, Canva, and more, making your workflow seamless and automated. And yes, you can even make money with Notion AI. Sell AI-powered templates on platforms like Gumroad. Create online courses teaching others how to use Notion AI. Or just simply join their affiliate program and earn commissions when you refer users. How does Notion AI compare to others like ChatGPT or Claude? Notion AI stands out because it combines smart content creation with task and project management all in one interface. ChatGPT is great for Q&A, but it doesn't organize your work the way Notion does. Here are some smart tips to get the most out of Notion AI. Save time by creating reusable templates. Use Ask AI like your private search engine. Customize the tone to match different clients or audiences. A few things to keep in mind. The free version limits how often you can use AI. It works best in English. Support for other languages like Vietnamese is still developing, and some advanced features may take a little time to master. Need help learning the ropes? You're covered. There's official documentation, step-by-step videos on Notion's YouTube channel. To wrap it all up, if you're ready to boost productivity, save hours of time, and eliminate content creation stress, Notion AI is the tool you need to try today. Start with the free version, explore its features, and you'll be amazed at what AI can do when it's built right into your daily workspace. You've been watching Petter AI Hustle, your favorite channel for discovering the best AI tools to help you work smarter every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Notion AI isn't just a tool, it's your new creative partner on the journey to working better.